Hello dear students, welcome to Biochemistry by Revati. I am Revati and in today's class we will learn the two fundamental basics of biochemistry, that is pH and buffers. These basics are not only part of your B.Sc syllabus but also needed for lab work and understanding biological systems. So grab a pen and a notebook, let's begin. First, let's learn about pH. What is pH? pH stands for potential of hydrogen. And it is defined as a negative logarithm of concentration of hydrogen ions. And it tells us how the acidic or basic solution is. If you see the formula, pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. Here H plus ions is equal to concentration of hydrogen ions in moles per liter or molar. If you see, what is this molar again? Number of moles of solute per liter of solution. And log 10 means log to the base 10. For example, if concentration of H plus is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. Let's substituting this value into the pH formula. What is pH? Is equal to log 10 minus log 10 into concentration of H plus. Now, by substituting, we get pH is equal to minus log 10 in brackets 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. By applying logarithmic rule, what is logarithmic rule? Log 10 into 10 to the power of minus x is equal to minus x. Now we have to apply this rule into this equation. Then we will get pH is equal to minus log 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to minus of minus 3. Because here we are getting log 10 into 10 to the power of minus x is equal to minus x. Here we take x is equal to 3. So we are getting answer also minus 3. In place of minus x, here we are getting answer minus 3. Minus of minus becomes plus. So here pH is equal to 3. Now why pH of 3 is acidic? Now why pH of 3 is acidic? Because it has high concentration of H plus ions. It has high concentration of H plus ions when compared to neutral water. A memory trick for you guys. Let's see how it works. If concentration of H plus ions is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus x, then pH is also x. This we have already solved in the previous example. Now if you see, concentration of H plus is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4, then pH is also 4. If concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7, pH is equal to 7. If concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9, then the pH will be, comment me. Now let's see pH scale. If you see the pH scale, it starts from 0 to 14. 0 to 6 is acidic. 7 neutral. And 8 to 14 is what? Alkali or basic. So here the colors will be red, orange and yellow. Neutral, green. And alkali, blue, indigo and violet. So we have already seen that 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 neutral, 8 to 14 alkaline or basic. Same if we take as pH less than 7 acid, pH is equal to 7 neutral, pH greater than 7 base. If you see some of the examples under this, lemon juice, pH 2. And if you see the example of neutral water, 7. And soap water, 10. Now let's see the relation between H plus and pH. Here the concentration of H plus ions is measured in moles per liter. And the second column is pH. If you see the value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1, the pH is 1. The value is 10 to the power of minus 3, pH is 3. If the value is 10 to the power of minus 5, pH is 5. If the value is 10 to the power of minus 7, pH is 7. If the value is 10 to the power of minus 9, pH is 9. If the value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10, the pH is also 10. So, we have seen that if the concentration of H plus ions increases, the solution becomes more acidic and the pH level decreases. When the concentration of H plus ions decreases, the solution becomes more basic or alkaline and the pH level goes up, means it increases. If pH didn't exist or we couldn't measure it, what will happen? First, we wouldn't know how the solution is, whether it is acidic or basic. That is very harmful. Second, chemical and biological reactions become unpredictable. Third, our body vital functions depend on stable pH would be at risk. Fourth, Doctors couldn't diagnose or treat many health problems related to blood acidity. And fifth, scientists and industries rely on pH control, would face major problems. Now let's quickly revise what we have learned under pH. pH, it tells us the solution is acidic or basic. Second, pH formula minus log 10 into concentration of H plus ions. 3. pH scale ranging from 0 to 6, acidic. 7. Neutral. 8 to 14, alkali or base. 4. Relation between H plus and pH. If H plus increases, pH decreases. When H plus decreases, pH increases. And finally, fifth, without pH, we couldn't tell the things are acidic or basic, which would cause problems in our body, medicine, and science. So, pH is most important. That's all for today's video on the concept of pH. I hope you have understood the basics clearly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Biochemistry by Revati for more simple and clear explanations. In the next video, we will cover the continuation of the topic buffers. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next class.